back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you guys step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you guys have probably already known that today's video is a Christmas special. Christmas is around the corner, and I think many of us are probably already doing Christmas shopping or have probably already done our Christmas shopping. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your very own Christmas ornaments. They're super easy to make, you guys, and I've actually been making my own Christmas ornaments for quite some time already as well. Not that I only use my own Christmas ornaments, but I also like to use the ones that you can get from stores as well. I mean, it's always best to DIY and make your own Christmas ornaments as well. Get your creativity out, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can make your own Christmas ornaments. I do hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To make this Christmas ornament, here are the supplies that you will need. To get started, I'm going to first grab one of these clear plastic ornaments. Next, I'm going to open the lid and add some glue inside the ornament. And using a paintbrush, I'm going to spread the glue all around from the inside like this. Once that's spread, next I'm going to add in some glitter. Not too much, just about this much, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to put the lid back, and then I'm just going to shake and turn the ornament so that the glitter gets spreaded all around. Once that's complete, here is the finished look of your glitter ornament. Also, if you want to write a name or message on the ornament, you can just use a white glass marker, and once you write down a quick message or name, let the marker dry, and then this is how it will look like. To make this next ornament, here are the supplies that you will need. To get started, first grab a clear plastic ornament, remove the lid, and simply just add the glitter inside. Once that's complete, you can add some decorative stones. I'm going to be using these stars, and I'm just going to place them all around the ornament at the top, and here is the finished look, you guys. To make this next ornament, here are the supplies that you will need. First, grab a clear plastic ornament like this one and open up the lid. And then inside, I'm going to be adding in these pom-poms. I'm going to be using the white pom-poms, and I'm also going to be using these white silver pom-poms as well. And I'm just going to add them inside. And then to complete it, I'm going to add a bow on the top, and here is the finished look. To make this next ornament, here are the supplies that you will need. Start with grabbing a clear plastic ornament, remove the lid, and I'm just going to now add some silver glitter glue. And next, once I've added that in, I'm going to spread the glitter glue. You can use a paintbrush to do this, or you can also use your fingers to spread the glitter glue. And once that's complete, using these snowflake confettis, I'm going to add these inside one by one and place them all around. Here is the finished look, you guys. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Also, if you want to stay up to date on when I post my next videos, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. The link is down in the description below, and here's the name of my Instagram. So be sure to give me a follow to stay up to date on when I post my new videos. Also, for more easy DIY videos, you can also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Amanpreet Matharu. The link is down in the description below, and here's the name of my TikTok as well.
Today's video shout out goes to Darcy. Shout out to you.
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. And for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel. Now, this is my main channel, which is only based on DIY projects, making arts and crafts. And my vlog channel is another channel which is mainly focused on other side of me other than making DIY and arts and crafts videos. So if you guys haven't checked out my vlog channel yet, be sure to check my vlog channel and make sure to give some love and support by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon, so you get notified each time I post a new video on my vlog channel. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. Up here, here is the name of my vlog channel. Also, for those of you who don't know, I have a Facebook page which is based on making creativity, work of art, making arts and craft, DIY projects. The group is called Confidence Through Creativity. It's a project that I've been working on for quite some time, and it's mainly focused on how art is able to build self-confidence through many individuals like us.
The project stands upon helping kids and young adults build their self-confidence through the help of art. Many people underestimate the power of art, and it's a way of self-expression. Art has the power to allow individuals like you and me to help express our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. I have created this Facebook page to better connect with each and every one of you. On this page, I will be posting DIY videos from my YouTube channel and other 5-minute DIY videos that I will be also posting on this Facebook page. Knowledgeable posts, and being able to interact with every one of you by going live on Facebook. And also having weekly art challenges and so much more to offer. And did I mention that this is absolutely free to join? And I have also created a Facebook group where once you're in the group, you can post videos of yourself attempting to do art challenges, engage with others, and post photos of artworks you've made. The intention for this group is to be all about being creative and helping you and others build self-confidence. And this is also absolutely free to join. My goal here is to build a community who I can help inspire many people like you to unleash your creativity through these videos. Join the world of art and unleash your creative side by just clicking the join button.
Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon, which will be Christmas inspired. And bye.